The sixth generation Honda CR-V is a compact crossover SUV manufactured by Honda since 2022, replacing the fifth generation CR-V. Like its predecessor, the sixth generation CR-V is available in 5-seater and 7-seater configurations. The sixth generation CR-V is based on the Honda architecture, HA, platform shared with the 11th generation Civic. This is amazing car 2026 Honda CR-V. The 2026 Honda CR-V opens with a presence that instantly feels confident and modern. And in the very first glance, you can sense how everything works together. From the smooth and efficient engine to the balanced horsepower delivery, the quiet and refined interior, and the strong yet elegant body design. Under the hood, the CR-V is built to feel responsive without being aggressive, giving drivers power that arrives smoothly and predictably, perfect for both city traffic and long highway drives. Step inside and the cabin welcomes you with a clean layout, comfortable seating, and materials that feel solid and thoughtfully chosen. While outside, the body lines are sculpted to look athletic without being flashy, creating an SUV that feels ready for everyday life and weekend adventures alike. As the drive begins, the CR-V immediately shows its focus on balance. Acceleration feels confident, not rushed, making it easy to merge or overtake without stress. The steering is light but precise, helping the car feel smaller and more manageable than its size suggests. Suspension tuning is clearly aimed at comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven roads while still keeping the vehicle stable through curves. This makes the CR-V feel calm and controlled, even when the road conditions are not perfect. Inside the cabin, Honda's attention to detail becomes clear. The seats are shaped to support the body on long drives, reducing fatigue and keeping passengers relaxed. The driving position feels natural, with controls placed exactly where you expect them to be. The dashboard design is simple and uncluttered, allowing drivers to focus on the road while still enjoying modern technology. Screens are clear and easy to read, and the system responds quickly, making everyday tasks like navigation or music selection effortless. Space has always been a strength of the CR-V, and the 2026 version continues that tradition. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making it comfortable for adults as well as children. The cargo area is wide and practical, easily handling groceries, luggage, or sports equipment. Folding the rear seats opens up even more room, turning the CR-V into a versatile partner for moving larger items or planning road trips on the outside. The design feels mature and confident. The front end looks bold without being intimidating, while the side profile flows smoothly from front to rear. Subtle details in the lighting and trim give the CR-V a modern personality that stands out without trying too hard. It is the kind of design that ages well, staying attractive years after its release. Safety is woven naturally into the driving experience. The CR-V feels secure and predictable, giving drivers confidence in daily traffic. Assistance features work quietly in the background, helping rather than interrupting. This creates a sense of trust between the driver and the vehicle, which is especially important for families and long-term ownership. Fuel efficiency also plays an important role in the CR-V's appeal. It is designed to go farther on less, reducing stops at the pump and making ownership more economical. This efficiency does not come at the cost of performance, as the vehicle still feels lively and capable when needed. The 2026 Honda CR-V ultimately delivers a complete experience. It is not about extreme power or flashy features, but about doing everything well. It offers comfort, reliability, and versatility in a package that feels thoughtfully engineered. Whether used for commuting, family duties, or weekend escapes, the CR-V adapts easily, making it a vehicle that fits naturally into everyday life and continues to earn trust mile after mile. What truly sets this vehicle apart is how easy it is to live with every single day. Doors open wide, visibility is excellent, and the quiet cabin makes even busy streets feel relaxed. The sound system adds warmth to every drive, and small storage areas throughout the cabin show careful planning. From early morning starts to late night returns, the CR-V feels dependable and welcoming. It is designed not to impress for a moment, but to satisfy over time, growing familiar and trusted, which is exactly what many drivers are looking for. This sense of comfort and confidence turns ordinary drives into smooth, stress-free moments that quietly improve daily routines everywhere. Please subscribe my channel if you want more videos.